I am feeling good and nervous because the things that are outside of my control are getting done, and now it's going to be very much on myself and on the team members that we have now to start getting the clients. With week 4, we have framing. As you can see, framing is done. Electrical is done. We are, demo is 90% done. The only thing that hasn't been demoed yet are the bathrooms. But as you can see, the floor out there is finally up. So it's finally over. This right here, again, front desk area still to be built. This first office is going to be leadership office, so it will be my office. Second office space right here is our mentorship office. So this is where our team can be. This is where they'll meet with themselves. They'll meet with clients. Next space and bay down here. This is the, we just got some renderings for this, which look pretty cool. So we're gonna have lockers on this side for clients, a bench with a couple more lockers right here, some storage underneath there for shoes. So this is all for clients, conveniently right across from the bathrooms. Big space, as you can see, all opened up. We've got this framed in. There used to be that big sliding barn door here. We got this framed in so that we can have a small shelf right here for some equipment, and then a panel that will still be able to access the hot water heater. Flooring is finally up. That big wall that separated the space is gone. We've added that little partial wall just to build out here so that we can still, we're gonna use this as some storage for things like boxes. This is still our cardio space, cardio room, which isn't really much of a room anymore. Cardio space, we'll keep it at that. PT space on this side, and then all of our autonomous stations. It looks so much bigger without that wall in here. Looks great. And no mirrors, so no more posing today, Clary, sorry. It's amazing what getting rid of one wall can do.
From a store.
Should have been.
Look at all this floor space. So much. You do aerobics in here. So many activities.
So yeah, I'm very excited. Demo is there. The thing that we are waiting for currently to take our next step is we have to get an inspection. To get the inspection, we have some plans that need to be signed by an architect. Those are supposed to be done today, so the beginning of the week. We're also getting the locks changed today, so a locksmith's gonna come in, get all the locks changed and make them uniform. It's my understanding that the next 2 things to be done is get those inspections. They are going to be prepping and painting the ceiling this week. That doesn't need any additional inspections or work to be done. And then we're gonna make some minor changes to the cooling system. Really, it's gonna branch off down here into the offices so that it gets a couple arms of airflow into each one of those offices. And then you can already see there's already one for the locker room area. It looks a little bit bigger now that that wall separating the spaces is out, but the plans don't change. Like the amount of square footage that we have is no different. Plans are not changing. We're keeping everything as is. The next things that can happen is once plans are approved, we can get painting done. We can the thing that we need the inspection for is the electric inside the walls needs to be checked, get the thumbs up so that we can start to put sheetrock on the walls. You know, it's the next thing that we are going to be waiting on is honestly, like, what are the fit and finishes? All of those, are they gonna be, like, how long are they going to take from ordering to be delivered? Honestly, the biggest unforeseen challenges right now is just that things tend to take a little bit longer than you want them to. And for me, I like to get in and I like to do things myself, get them done. And I'm waiting on somebody who's waiting on somebody who's waiting on somebody else to get stuff done. So that's the biggest challenge for me personally. As far as the space goes, we're knocking out the pieces that we can. They're moving in the right direction. They're moving appropriately. So there's no crazy things yet. The next leap forward in progress is getting that banner, that sign that's up. That's our what if sign. That is the one with the QR code. It says learn more about us at activelifelongbeach.com. That site is up. It's functional, QR code works. That's important because that's where our consultations happen. Consultations are gonna come from there, people learning more about us and booking in.